Hey guys, Dmitry here, software engineer at Retouch. In this video, we'll talk all about image management in Arams. We'll focus on how to create projects, how to import images, how to navigate through folders, and talk about supported formats. Quick note, for a steady stream of new tutorials and updates, be sure to subscribe to Retouch channel and turn on notifications. Let's begin. When you open Arams, you'll see the Project Manager. Projects are a way to organize your photoshoots. You can create a project for each photoshoot or keep all photoshoots in one project. To create a new project, click this button. You'll see a dialog where you can set a name and a destination. Let's give it a better name, Arams Tutorial. By default, all projects are stored in the Pictures folder. To control where projects are stored, disable Use Default Path and select the destination. Use the Import button to import an existing project from the file system or an external drive. Click it and then locate your project. You can create a project faster. Let's say you did some management beforehand and put your images into a nicely named folder. You can drag and drop your folder onto this area. You'll see that the name and the destination are taken from your folder path. If you want to rename a project, you can do so using the context menu. Right-click the project and select Rename. Enter a new name and save it. Keep in mind that under the hood, projects are simply folders that contain required data. When you rename a project, the underlying folder will be renamed as well. It is especially important to remember this when you save the project to a custom location. Now you have a project, but how do you import images? Well, you have three options. You can import images and folders by dragging and dropping them into the middle section. The other option is to use the Import button. You'll find it in the top left corner. Click it and then select what you want to import. The last option is to use drag and drop in the Project Manager. Simply drag and drop images onto any project. Hundreds of files can be imported at once. We support JPEG, PNG, and TIFF, as well as RAW files. When you're done with corrections, you can export to JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and TIFF with layers. For faster workflows, you can use embedded JPEGs when working with RAW files. Note that the colors of embedded JPEGs will differ from previews generated by Arams. Arams is a powerful tool for image management. Let's take a look at navigation. Images you've edited most recently appear under Previous Import. Below that, you'll find all folders. By default, you'll see all images inside selected folders, including images in nested folders. Next to each folder name, you'll see the total number of images inside the folder. To see images excluding nested folders, click the target folder while holding Option on macOS or Alt on Windows. The image count updates to show only the visible images. To recap, projects help organize photoshoots, and each project is represented by folder and disk. By default, all projects are stored in the Pictures folder, but that location can be customized. Images and folders can be imported into a project via drag and drop or through the Import button. Recently added images appear under Previous Import, while all folders display the full folder structure. Arams supports JPEG, PNG, and TIFF, as well as RAW files. It allows you to export the JPEG, PNG, and TIFF with layers. Embedded JPEGs can be used for faster workflows when working with RAW files. In the next video, you'll learn how to speed up your workflow using AI-assisted culling in Arams. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Retouch channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.